This is the Toyota Probox, and this is why every delivery business in Uganda should have this car. A large plain white object designed to help you work, like a notepad or laptop. Everything about this car is designed to help you work efficiently and cost-effectively. The enormous glove box is open at the top and will swallow even the largest inventory and sales folders. It has a pull-out table, perfect for a quick lunch on the go. It has a mobile phone holder which can suit small phones or the largest smartphones, with easy access for the charging ports of all the popular models. To aid in usefulness and efficiency, the cup holders are both plentiful and convertible. You could fit an entire day's worth of coffee in a Probox without needing to stop and clean it out. It also features this enormous bottle holder with a convenient air-con vent to keep it cool all day. The cargo area of the Probox is cavernous and will rival anything short of a full-size van. To help increase storage space, however, the rear seats have been designed with the thickness and comfort of sitting on a folded-up newspaper. Make no mistake, this was designed to keep the people in accounting happy. The interior is the classic Toyota plasticky elephant skin. The carpet looks like regular carpet underlay. You can see the door metal through the door pockets. It's also quite Spartan when it comes to driver aids and safety. However, the upside to all this cost saving means the car itself is quite light, coming in at just over 1,000 kilograms. Featuring the same engine and weight as the sporty Toyota Vitz RS, the 1.5-litre engine making 109 horsepower doesn't have too much trouble getting a Probox moving quickly.